Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, I probably sound so burnt up. Let me see how I can position y'all. Hey guys, it's Vlogmas day 1. What? I'm so excited, y'all. This is my first time doing Vlogmas. I'm excited and like nervous all at the same time. I have never done daily vlogs before, and as y'all know, if y'all watch my videos before, like, I don't be doing nothing. I really don't. I am such a chill, laid back person. Like, I'm gonna have to think of stuff to do so that my stuff isn't boring, because I really do want to do Vlogmas. I was thinking about doing like Vlogmas week 1, 2, 3, 4, and I was like, no man, it's cheating. I gotta do it right. So I'm really gonna try, you guys. If you guys haven't checked out my recent videos, go ahead and check those out. Whew, I did a little something to my face to look a little, you know, put together a little bit, but my hair is still, y'all. So if y'all don't know my natural hair journey, go check out that video. This is all new hair, so it was flat ironed for the first time about 3 weeks ago, and I've kind of just been bumping it, but I'm scared to put any more heat on it just because there's been a lot of heat on it. It needs to be washed and redone, and I ain't have the time to like really, you know, do that. So I've just been walking around here with like poofy hair, but it's like, at least I got hair, you know what I'm saying? Shit, some people ain't got hair, so I'm gonna be grateful. So if I be looking like this for a while, y'all don't judge me, just pray for me, okay? All right, so let's see. I'm gonna be Fridays, I usually get with mama and we usually do some running around and stuff like that, so it's perfect that Vlogmas starts on a Saturday. So hopefully I have some stuff for you guys. Today is Friday, y'all. I'm so excited. Today is my last day for something I'm not gonna tell y'all, but it is a huge weight lifted off my shoulders, and I know y'all know that feeling where you just been burdened down and weighed down with this huge burden, and when it finally is lifted off of you, you're just like, yes, I can move on with my life. Like, and that's how I'm feeling right now, y'all. So I'm excited. Today is Friday. Today's the last day for something, and it's Vlogmas. So let's get it. So I can get that pie crust out of her. At the deep freezer. Say hello to the people.
What people?
It's Vlogmas.
You awful happy.
I am very happy. I feel really light. I have a lot that has been lifted off of me. But I'm hungry. Y'all got food?
It's that's what it is.
Okay, y'all. I'm about to find me something to eat. We'll be back. Say we'll be back, mother.
We'll be back.
Hey y'all, I'm back. Me and mother have ate. Our bellies are full. Now we're leaving Walmart.
Really?
Say hello, mother. You know, mama camera shy. Where to next, mother?
Yeah, it's 2 o'clock. We can do all these exams, right?
Why am I getting a little lightweight headache?
Huh?
I said, why am I getting a little lightweight headache?
How is the weather?
It feels so weird outside.
Because it's humid.
Did you say it stinks?
Yeah.
Okay, where we going?
I said all these.
All this. Dang, you mad? Okay, what's the best route to get there?
You know how we? Like you want now, time. It's on 122nd.
That way?
I don't know.
Should I get on Lake Hefner? Or go back that way?
I will go right there.
Here. Okay. Okay, move, lady. One store down out of 3. They about to get that part. They was ready for that. That's about ready to run me over. Go ahead,
is that
lady.
that same lady there?
Who?
Seemed like she was there when I came out the stove. I need toilet paper, arrow, and paper towel. What's she doing?
I don't know. These people be out for a Sunday cruise and it ain't Sunday. Oh no. This probably isn't gonna work, guys. But I'm trying to get vlog footage, so
I don't want to be in that. Why you didn't go that way? Oops. Oh,
you're gonna be in it, mother. You're part of the family.
my hair is messed up.
You see my hair? At least you about to go get your hair done.
All I'm doing is getting the top braid.
I don't know what I'm about to do with mine because I really don't need to flat iron it no more.
Get it braided.
I don't want to get it braided. It's thick enough.
I just can't. See, I can't flat iron. I can't be putting all that heat on it. I'm only giving her $15.
Wait a minute. She ain't tell you no price?
She only doing half a head. I should be giving her 10.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
But she having a hard time. She dying too.
You're right. The struggle is real, but it's okay. Come 2019.
I know. We ain't doing nothing but paying bills.
Nothing.
Work.
I don't even think my skills lab gonna be next year, so. Because I did find out that I have to do my aim, y'all.
Is that on?
Yes, it's on. I need a vlogging camera is what I need.
You're driving. You need to put that up.
Instead of this big old camera. I'm trying to get vlog footage. Alright, y'all. We'll talk to y'all. Yeah, I think I want to get a wreath for my dough. I think that would be cute. To have a wreath on the door. Babe! Are you clothed? Say hi to the people. He's playing the game, yo. Say happy Vlogmas.
What?
Say happy Vlogmas.
Hold on. 3rd and 10 right.
Alright, y'all. The game is serious. What chord is this? Oh, is it over? Oh, it's at the top. 2 minutes. Oh. Of course he's the Cowboys, y'all.
this is likely 4-down
Can I have a
territory
kiss?
anyway, but they'll try to punch it in now on 3rd and goal.
Why you coming here trying to record me and shit?
It's Vlogmas. Say happy
I'm
Vlogmas.
not gonna say that, so you might as well quit.
Please.
Nope.
Why not?
Oh my god!
First down.
I just want you to say happy Vlogmas and I'll leave you alone.
I'm not saying that, so you might as well leave it.
Why not?
He's back to throw.
Oh my god.
He's taken down.
Funny.
Is it literally gonna hurt you to say it?
Camera, big distraction.
Well, just say it, then I can cut it off.
No.
Please. I have a surprise for you.
What is it?
I'll tell you a surprise after you say it.
I'm not saying it.
Why not?
Because I'm not.
Going down the middle and it's complete.
Please.
Not before getting this inside the 30.
Hold on.
A good pickup there, 26 yards.
Didn't you miss me?
Yes, I missed it, baby.
Back to throw.
Hello?
And he
Man, I'm getting so tired of these healthcare people calling me.
Shit.
Hey, but he made the comeback though. 31 seconds on the clock. Oh, wait. I was way off. Wasn't it just 30 seconds? Was I looking at the wrong thing? 21 seconds on the clock. And he's in the lead. Y'all see he was just down, right? Mm-hmm. He good. He good.
This from long, very long range. And
Say it again.
Huh?
Say it again.
Are you eating my food?
I ate one of your wings.
I bet you ate my drumstick too.
You know it.
Hungry belly.
Are you gonna say it again?
I'm not.
Oh my God.
You put you raise your foot.
You wait
One more time.
until
Really?
you knew.
Raise your foot.
That was my knee, don't count. You wait until
Raise
I
the
cut
top
off
of
the
your leg.
camera
Upper knee.
for you to say happy Vlogmas.
This fucking spoon, bro.
I ain't a spoon. I got it all on camera. Now say it again. Say it again. He's such an asshole. Y'all, he waited until I cut off the camera to say happy Vlogmas. Tell him to do better. Say do better. Do better. Because you're horrible.
I know you need to take me off that camera.
Can I have my fork back, please?
No.
No. Look at you. You don't get no surprise.
I feel like I'm not surprised. I can do it.
Yeah, well, you would have liked this surprise, so. It's okay, though. Maybe next time. Anyway, y'all, so my Aunt Alice is gifting us some couches, and I'm so happy. Because we want to wait to buy a big sectional that has a sofa bed in it that lets out. Then we move into our house. So we're just gonna have these for right now. And then when we move, he's gonna put them in like his little man cave area. So I'm excited. Yes, y'all, I am eating ice cream with a fork out of the container. I know, I'm burnt up, it's okay. What's the good stuff though? This is Brahms butter pecan, okay? Brahms butter pecan. Yes. What y'all know about this? This is the best ice cream ever. Me and Mama did a lot of running around today, and I didn't get to really vlog much of it because we had to hurry up. We was on time crunch. So hopefully tomorrow will be more eventful. So I'm probably gonna end the vlog here and then start recording footage for tomorrow. For Vlogmas day 2. So y'all just stay tuned. And I'll see y'all in the next Vlogmas day. Love y'all. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all later.